In the last century, quantum physics has transformed the world economy. The tiny, strange quantum world is one of complex probabilities that defy our everyday intuition. How does a tiny quantum universe assemble the reality that we experience at our familiar human scale? Beginning in the 1920s, physicists argued what has come to be known as the Copenhagen Interpretation of quantum physics. Even those leading physicists never fully agreed on how to think about the topic, and it remains controversial. At our human scale, objects have measurable properties, such as position. A popular version of the Copenhagen interpretation suggests that a very tiny object, such as an electron, exists only as a collection of probabilities and has no position or even concrete reality until it is measured or observed. Not everyone agrees with this interpretation. This sculpture features a gemstone sphere representing an electron. The arms attached to it move in chaotic oscillation. They represent the ghostly, probabilistic influences mutually determining the electron's position. Yet, there it sits, keeping its position despite them. Following geometry rather than quantum rules, it's got the Copenhagen Blues.